Welcome to our Agents of Erosion presentation created by Karinna and Jada. This is water erosion. Coastal erosion is an example of it. It is formed by powerful waves that wash over the sea. The water takes some of the sediments back into the water. It eventually washes away so much sediment that the ocean takes over some of the coast and some of the land becomes smaller. This happens very slowly, but after centuries you can tell the difference. An arch used to be big walls of rock, and then water erosion took over. Water weakened the walls until the thin rock broke out and the hard rock stayed until it formed an arch. Water flows through the arch and still weakens the hard rock. An arch can be any size, and the arch can be thick or thin. This continues on until the water can't break the rock anymore, and it's finished looking like an arch. The Grand Canyon was also formed by water erosion. The Colorado River started to flow and carved a path in a giant wall of rock. The wall started to form a trail going deeper and deeper into the canyon, and that's how it was formed. Sand dunes were formed by wind erosion. The wind blows in a way, and since the sand is already small, it's easier for the wind to carry it. This is how it takes that shape until the wind comes again. Mushroom rocks were also formed by wind erosion, since wind can carry small particles, but it can't go that high. The particles scrape on the rock, taking a little by little rock. Soon the shape of a mushroom comes and it gets smaller and smaller. Soon it falls over and the cycle continues, yet the mushroom rock is smaller than before. Glaciers always go downhill, so when it goes downhill, it erodes the earth, taking sediments with it. When the glacier starts to melt, all the sediments and rocks it's been carrying drops and forms a boulder. This is an example of ice erosion. Hoodoos are formed by an ice erosion. They used to be flat ground until they got cracks in the rock. The water fills the cracks and freezes, which forms ice. The ice pushes against the flat rock until they break into columns and become hoodoos. This happens all over the world all the time. Rock falls are started by gravity erosion. Gravity pulls down the rocks down a steep slope. The size of the rocks could be pebbles or boulders. It starts by one rock moving down, causing a chain reaction. Gravity is really strong to pull these rocks down. A landslide is a type of rapid mass movement going down a mountain or a steep slope caused by gravity. A slump is an example of a landslide because it occurs when a block of material goes downhill over a curved surface. Now you know what the 4 agents of erosion are and some of their examples.